Good morning, all of you. How are you? I am fine, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Today's activity, parts of body. Touch your head. Touch your eyes. Touch your ears. Touch your nose. Show me teeth. Show me tongue. Touch your lip. Touch your cheek. Show me hand. Touch your elbow.